Welcome to making your Microsoft Word documents accessible. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create descriptive text links when creating links to web pages. When creating links in your Word documents or in any of your digital content with links, use concise and meaningful text. The link should indicate the destination or purpose of the link and should make sense even without the context of the text surrounding it. Avoid phrases like click here and read more or download. Ensure hyperlinks are visually distinct from regular text. This is done automatically in Word using blue text color and an underline, but if you change text color, you will need to consider this. Avoid using URLs for link text, as screen readers will read the entire link, which can take a long time and doesn't give the user the information they need. Avoid using the word link or link to as part of the link text, as it is redundant. Screen readers will announce the context is a link. Feel free to open up a Word document you have that contains links and walk through the steps with me. I'm going to start with a really long hyperlink that's typed out completely. A screen reader would read out the entire link, https://www, and so on. You could use an entire refresh on a Braille display just to display one link or part of a link. The purpose of this link can be derived from the sentence before it. To obtain a copy of an article in a print journal or a chapter from a print book, please place a request through interlibrary loan. The text, "Please place a request through interlibrary loan," would be a great place to put this hyperlink. Whether you're reading it in the context of the sentence or not, it's clear the link will take you to the request form for an interlibrary loan. First, I'm going to highlight and copy the link. Next, I'm going to highlight the exact text I would like to turn into the descriptive text link, which is place a request through interlibrary loan. I'm going to right-click or on a Mac Control-click and select Hyperlink. The options are web page or file, this document, or email address. This is a web page, so I'm going to make sure that is selected. At the top, after text to display, the text I selected is in the box. After address, I am now pasting the link into the provided space. Before selecting OK, I'm going to check my link. In this particular case, the link was surrounded by parentheses, which I accidentally copied and pasted here. This would cause a broken link. So I am removing the parentheses, checking to make sure it's all correct, then selecting OK. Now that text has become my link, so I am deleting the fully typed out hyperlink. I can test the link by selecting the descriptive text link, and it opens. If I were to realize the link was broken and I need to fix it, I can right-click on the text, select Hyperlink, then Edit Hyperlink to make any changes. If this were a document that is not just available digitally, but also is frequently printed, I could provide the web address in parentheses after the descriptive text link. But this should not be another link, only text. To remove the link, I can highlight, right-click, select Hyperlink, remove Hyperlink. I would not recommend sharing very long links in printed materials, but there may be situations where you do need to provide a full link for printed materials. To recap, all hyperlinks should be descriptive text links. The user should be able to tell where the link is taking them from the text in the link. Avoid using words like click here or link as your hyperlink. When creating your document, simply type the words you would like to be the descriptive text for your link. Highlight the text. Right-click. Select hyperlink. Then make sure for a web page you have selected web page and enter the link in the space provided. If you have any broken links, check to make sure you didn't accidentally leave any surrounding text like parentheses or punctuation with the link.